Hi, I'm Prince Dansen Tibantok, 18 years old from General Trias, Cavite. I graduated senior high school from Mother Teresa School and now taking up marketing management in National University Das Marinas. So, why marketing? You might ask. Well, I've been interested in people, how they think, what they want, and how to connect with them. Marketing is all about creative, connection, and strategy. And I see my future on this course. Now, a little bit more about me. I have quite few hobbies that keep me active and inspired.
First, I love playing billiards. My idols are none other than Efren Bata Reyes and AJ Manas. Their skills, focus, and calm under pressure really motivate me. Whenever I hold a cue stick, I feel like I'm in my zone. Second, I enjoy solving Rubik's Cube, and I'm proud to say I'm actually a champion in competitions. It's more than just a toy to me. It's about pattern, speed, and brain power. And third, I'm into drawing and art. I've won mural painting competitions, and I'm back-to-back champion in most poster making during grade 11 and 12. I use art to express my thoughts and emotions. It's one of my favorite ways to tell stories without words.
Now, for a little fun, here are the 3 fun facts about me.
I'm an extrovert. I enjoy being around people and I'm always down for a good conversation. I'm super friendly. I easily make friends and love learning from different personalities. And lastly, I always dance TikTok dance with my friends like this. So that's me, Prince Dansen Tibantok, a student, a creative, and thinker, and a fun-loving friend. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to share more of my journey with you. Bye!